Hello, Plaman. I agree with you that there might be a potential buy opportunity for the 4 hours. As you can see, the location of the price is actually good, as we are at the extreme ends of the channel. But for now, I'm still seller's bias because of the volume wise. The volume of this area right here is, for me, I think is lower compared to, is kind of similar to like these three candles, I would say. And also there are volume of this range being transferred over to the downside. So in terms of volume, I would say that it's higher at these upper, this range, these trap buyers over here. And also that these trap buyers haven't have their release yet. So I will see like how the release perform. If the release is perform choppy, maybe coming out to this area, then we might be able to take an anticipation trade, maybe upwards. But if it smashes down very strongly, then we probably step aside. But overall, it's still a seller's territory. So for now, I think it's risky to take a buy.